once again, my meeting with Muslim brothers sisters in Leh. Wonderful. Perhaps you may know my own birthplace area, northeast Tibet. A lot of Muslim families. Since childhood, your daily prayer, I heard. Like that. Then, these Muslim families, you see, very fond to me. I think, frankly speaking, I was very small, but quite clever. So you see, every, the neighbor people loves me. Then somehow recognition me as a reincarnation of Dalai Lama. Then came to Lhasa. In Lhasa also, there is a small Muslim community, mainly businessmen. In our tradition, every Tibetan government function, the small Muslim community, they always come. So, since my childhood, in my mind, very familiar, the Muslim brothers, sisters, with your special dress. And the people in Lhasa consider those Muslims are very, very peaceful. So they always, as I mentioned earlier, in any Tibetan government official function, the representative of Muslim community always come. So now, my conclusion, all people, basically, same human being, same emotion, same brain, and all more than 7 billion human beings, all want peace, happy life. So, and basic human nature, more affectionate. As soon as born, mother gives us maximum affection. Now the problem, very human nature, you see, loving kindness and sense of brotherhood, sisterhood. Once we join education, in modern education field, not sufficient to educate people how to develop inner peace. For example, in India, modern education comes from West. So there is not much knowledge how to keep peace of mind. In India's tradition, Karuna, Ahimsa. About Karuna, the Westerner, they bring Western education, modern education. They have no idea how to keep Karuna and how to bring through Karuna, how to bring peace of mind. So now, India, I feel, in previous century, Mahatma Gandhiji truly brought on this planet ahimsa. And South Africa and many countries truly follow Mahatma Gandhiji about ahimsa. Now, that alone not sufficient. The conflict starts from here. Anger, hatred, fear. So, it's very important to develop or to keep Karuna. Karuna itself, a secular point. Although all major religious tradition, their essence message is Karuna. But Karuna itself is something secular. Now we really need more effort through education about warm-heartedness, Karuna. So now, actually, I am going to meet some professors in Delhi universities, some universities in Delhi, like Jawaharlal Nehru universities. I am going to discuss how to combine modern education with more materialistic education and ancient Indian thought about Karuna. Combine these. Karuna should not consider as a religious matter. It is something really very important in human life. So in our education field, you see, some lesson about Karuna, inner peace. So now, then first day in Ladakh, from here up to Mön Tawang, the Tibetan border. So 1,000 years, you see, people from here go to Tibet, as well as Tibetan come here. So we have a common sort of practice, compassion, warm-heartedness. I notice whenever I come the northern India, the people really showing deep sort of feeling towards me, because we have some 1,000 years, some close contact, close connection. So now, Tibet itself, now situation, last few decades, truly become difficult. But Tibetan people, they really kept the 1,000-year-old our tradition, Karuna, here. So, the Himalayan range people, something very special connection with Tibetan culture. Religion is individual matter, but warm-heartedness is for everyone need. So I really appreciate the whole Himalayan range people really kept that tradition. I really appreciate. And then religious harmony, very important. Different philosophy, different history, but all carry same message of love. So, harmony among the different institutions, very essential. So now here in Ladakh area, particularly these area, Muslim brothers, sisters, and Buddhist brothers, sisters truly live together very harmoniously. Wonderful. So now religion, different philosophy, but essence is same, warm-heartedness. So I really appreciate people here, religious harmony. That's very good. Thank you.